Hello students, now in this session I will explain sum number 9 of exercise 11.3. Now according to this question, there is one particular length of a wire which Sazli is carrying. Sazli is a character given in this particular question. So she is carrying a wire a length of 44 centimeter. Now what she is doing is, at first with this wire she is giving a shape of a circle. Okay, so if the whole length of the wire is 44 and if she is making a shape of a circle, then this whole length of the circle is what? 44, isn't it? Because the length of the wire is 44, so the circumference of the outer boundary of the circle will be also 44. So what is the first thing that you have to find out? You have to find out the radius and then you have to find out the area. Fine. So the circumference of a circle is given. Circumference is given what? 44 centimeter. Okay. Now what is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r is equals to 44 centimeters. So what you have to find out? You have to find out the value of r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equals to 44 centimeter. Now if you have to get the value of r, then what you have to do? You have to transpose all those numbers towards right hand side. So if you do it, so what you will get? 44. Now 7 will be multiplied with 44 and this 2 will come down. Now if you reduce it, 22 2s are 2, so r value is 7 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to also get the value of area. So you will find the area. So area is equals to what? Pi r square. Now what is pi? 22 upon 7 and r is what? 7. So 7 square, that means 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So reduce this to 7. So answer would be 154 centimeter square. Okay. This is when Sazli is giving a shape of a square. Now once she has given circle, so with this measurement we are getting the value of r. Once we have got the value of r, we got the value of area also of the circle. Now she again opened this wire and gave a new shape. Sazli now gave a new shape, that is a square. Now she gave a new shape, that is a square. Now as we know that square, all the sides are equal. So equally the length of the entire square, that is the total length of the outer boundary of the square, will be again 44. So that is the perimeter of a square is given 44, isn't it? So you will write perimeter of square is equals to what? Again 44 centimeter, because the length of the wire was 44. If Sazli is giving a shape of a square, then it will become a circumference of a circle. And if she has given a new shape, that is a square, then the total length of this wire would be what? 44. That means the perimeter of the square is given. So perimeter of a square is 44 centimeter. Now what is the formula of perimeter of a square? 4 into side. 4 into side is equals to 44 centimeter. Now the first thing we need to get, we need to find the value of each side. That is, side is equals to, we have to transpose this 4 towards right hand side, that is 44 divided by 4. If you reduce it, you will get 11. So side is equals to 11 centimeter. Now as you know the value of each side, now you can easily get the value of area now. So what is area of square? Area of square is equals to side into side. Okay, that is equals to 11 centimeter into 11 centimeter. So 11 into 11 is what? 121 centimeter square. Now finally, now we know the area of a square, that is 121. We also know the area of a square, that is 154 centimeter square. Now at last the question they have asked, which figure encloses more area, that is a square or a circle? Okay, So we have to see that the area of a circle is 154 centimeter square and area of square is 121. That is, circle area is 154 and square area is 121. So at last you will write, therefore area enclosed by circle is more than square. This is how you will conclude this question number 9. Okay, this is the last sentence. Once you have done with all these things, this is the last sentence that you have to write to conclude question number 9. Okay, so this is a solution of question number 9. So, and this is very, very important sum. So if you have any problem, do share your problem in WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you all.